So I just got off the phone with my niece. She's in England and she's in university. And she had called me up because she needed some advice on side hustling. She's looking to make some extra cash while she's in university. And she wanted to know if I had any tips on side hustles that she could do while she was studying. So I gave her what I believe is the best side hustle for college students right now. So if you're in university, this is a side hustle you need to jump on. And I was like, what the heck? I need to create a YouTube video about this because not just my niece needs to know about this, but all the other students who come onto this YouTube channel watching my content. So first of all, thank you if you are a returning viewer to the channel. I really appreciate your support. But if you're new, welcome. My name is Kuda Biza and I'm a serial entrepreneur. I came to America with only $40 in my pocket. Yes, this is all I had when I arrived at Miami International Airport, coming from Zimbabwe. And I was a freshman going to college at Lynn University in Boca Raton, Florida. And this is all I had. So I had to side hustle my way through college, hence why I'm kind of like the side hustle king and why my niece was calling me for some tips. But the side hustle that I'm about to share with you, I didn't do it when I was in college, but I found out about it recently. And for me, I believe this is the best side hustle that college students should do. So the reason why I say that is because if you have reams and reams and reams of your notes, your homework, quizzes, tests, and all that stuff that you've taken in class, you can actually monetize this on this platform. And in this episode, I'm going to be sharing with you the platform that I recommend every college student should be on so that they can upload their study documents and actually start making passive income on it. So stay tuned and enjoy this episode. Okay guys, so we're going to do it a little bit differently today. I'm going to be sharing my screen and I'm going to walk you through the side hustle that I was telling my niece that she needs to do, and she has the ability to make thousands of dollars each month by doing this. So the platform is called StudyPool. So you go to studypool.com, and on studypool.com you have the ability to earn money simply by just uploading and selling your study documents. So you have the ability to earn passive income of up to 5,000 US dollars a month. And all you have to do is upload your documents, so it could be your past quizzes, tests, your homework, and, anything really that you've taken in class, and it could be typed up or handwritten. And you just upload it into StudyPool, and there are tens of millions of students out there who are looking for the material. And in your mind, you might be thinking like, well, Kuda, I'm doing this weird major and they probably wouldn't like it. Well, let's take a look around, the subjects they have. So they have pretty much, everything, right? From business to humanities to mathematics, foreign languages, and so forth and so forth. So, so many different things that you could do. So let's take a look into science. If you're doing astrophysics, yes, you can upload your astrophysics notes onto this platform and you can, earn passive income from it. And what's interesting is when you take a look into what some of the top earners have made, these people have made quite a decent amount of money, right? $161,000, just from uploading their homework. And I'm going to scroll down here and kind of like show you how it works. It's really, really easy. All you just have to do is you upload your document, so your class notes, old homework, a quiz, whatever. And then they're going to review your documents. And then once they review it and they really think that it meets their criteria, you're good to go, right? You're off to the races, because as some of their users come in and view your documents, you will receive payment up to $10 every time a student views your document. So it's actually pretty cool. And what I also like about the platform is that it could be from anywhere in the world. So, you could be in Africa, or you could be in Australia, America, England, wherever it is, you could still work with the platform. And how you get paid, if you look into the payment methods, there's so many different ways you can get paid. So if you're a PayPal user, you can just do it with PayPal. They can also process the payment using Western Union, Pioneer, and I know that I have a lot of viewers who are watching from Africa, like Kenya. They have M-Pesa, so you'll still be able to get your money through M-Pesa. So don't think that it's only something that people in America or in the Western world can do. You could literally be anywhere in the world and you can just upload your university notes in here. But what you really want to make sure is that they're high quality and it's really, really helpful for the students, right? So this is a very easy side hustle that I think every college student or someone who went to college or university should do, because all you just have to do is upload your material, and guess what? When someone comes in and searches for that particular subject, you know what? They might pick your document, and when that happens, you will make money, right? When they are reviewing your material, you will make money from it. And, you know, it's a numbers game at the end of the day, right? The more you upload, the more probability in terms of how much money you're going to be able to earn. So upload as much as you can. Just make sure it's good quality material that people can actually benefit from. And boom, you could be receiving, you know, thousands of dollars in payments every month because people are going in and reviewing the material that you wrote when you're in class. And, you know, the platform is really easy to use. As you can see, you'll get notifications when people actually, you know, use your document. So you can actually see when that happens, and you can see your total earnings, how many documents you've uploaded, and sold, and, you know, and all that good stuff, and what has been rejected, and so forth and so forth. So it's pretty easy and simple to use. So like I said, I highly encourage anyone who's in college to actually go out and use Study Pool, because it's a very simple and easy tool, and you could literally start making money based on the notes that you've taken, the quizzes, the study guides, and all that good stuff that are just sitting around collecting dust in your closet. Upload them onto Study Pool and start making money. So I have a link in the description where you can just click, go straight to Study Pool, and sign up, upload all of your material, and start making money, guys. You have the ability to earn up to $5,000 per month passively. And if you're a student, I mean, this is life-changing money, right? Imagine, you know, making this type of money every single month as a student. So I'm not saying that's how much you're going to earn, but I'm saying you have the potential to earn it. And as you know, action takers are money makers. So go ahead and take action. And you know what? You never know. You might start making thousands of dollars on this platform. And the cool thing is that, you know, it can be there forever, right? In perpetuity. So it doesn't have to end, you know, when you're in college or whatever. You can just upload the documents and leave them there. And maybe you might be making passive income for years and years and years for material that you created once, and you upload it onto the platform, and then you're good to go. So anyway, I hope that this is helpful to you guys. And like I said, the link is in the description for you to go to Study Pool, and then from there you guys can go out there and make money in the marketplace. Take care, guys. Talk to you guys soon.